Are you wanting ranch, but you don't have any in the fridge? How about we make some tonight at home with just a couple ingredients? Let's get them ready, shall we? To make this ranch, we're going to need a couple ingredients. We're going to need some original ranch seasoning. We're going to need a whisk, a measuring cup, some milk, and some mayonnaise. I figure odd numbers work a lot better than even numbers, so we'll make 3 packets of ranch for tonight. Alright, so to our seasoning, our 3 packets of seasoning, we're going to add 3 cups of mayonnaise. One, 2, and 3. Next, we will add 3 cups of milk. 1, 2, and 3. And now this is where we will take our whisk and mix it up. Once it is all mixed up, you can cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to sit. The longer it sits, the thicker it will get. I hope this helps. If you could leave a like and a comment, it would help a lot. And don't forget to subscribe. I hope you have a great night and wonderful eating.